What school are you from?
Bulacan Ecumenical School.
Where is that?
At Barangay Liang, Malolos City of Malolos,
Oh,
Bulacan.
here is school gate.
Oh.
Let's go now. This is the garden. Our science teacher planted all this. And the canteen here is very good. They serve the best food I've ever tasted and at a low price.
Wow.
That is our canteen. I need to go back in class. This is your classroom, okay? Bye.
Thank you. Hey son, you're gonna be late.
Yeah, Dad, I'm coming.
Okay, so what's up in school, son?
Nothing much, Dad. Our teacher teaches us about earthquakes.
Okay, have a great day.
I will. Bye, Dad.
Okay. I miss you, Dad. Okay, let's go. Oh, how much I miss these guys.
Hey Aaron, come and meet my son.
You taught your son some manners. We need to capture this moment.
Are you sure? Is that the intern? Can you take a picture of us?
Yeah, sure.
Guys, I read the news about the big one.
Yeah, it may happen anytime.
I'm scared, Dad. Let's get back to work.
Son, go and play there. Daddy needs to work.
Okay, I'll finish my coloring. Stop! Stop! Dad, what's happening?
It's an earthquake. Let's take cover.
Okay. Oh no, JD, wake up! Dad, what's going on, Dad? Daddy, let's go, Mark. I love you, Dad. Let's save ourselves, Dad. Ah, ah. Ah, my leg. Uncle, are you okay? Go, Mark. Run, save yourself. Okay, run.
Hey, I'm Attorney JP. What's your name?
I'm Mark. My dad and uncle inside the building.
It's okay. We'll get them later.
Okay. Help! Help!
Hey, there's someone here.
Help! Please, my leg.
Yes, sir. We'll take you to the hospital.
Ah.
The earthquake was tragic, and your leg needs to be replaced with a metal limb.
Okay, Doc. But will it cost a lot?
Yes, but it will help you walk again. Let's start the operation.
Good day, Mr. Palon. Here are the adoption papers.
Thank you, attorney. Are you gonna be my dad now? Yes, son. Listen, son. Today is your first day in school. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go.
Good morning, class. Our first lesson is all about plate tectonics.
Oh, what a nice day to work. Sir, the lights are swinging.
Class, it's an earthquake. Doc, cover and hold.
Okay. Oh,
Mark, the earthquake. It did not spare your father. He died.
it can't be. No. Dad! Dad! How am I able to go on by myself, Dad? Dad! Dad!
Mark, you no longer have a father. I must give you to the orphanage.
But I don't want to.
No, you
No.
must do it.
No,
Come with me
I
to
don't
the
want-
orphanage.
No way, there's no way.
Follow me. Let's go to the orphanage.
No, I don't want.
It's better for you.
Why?
Let's go to the orphanage.
No. I'm just my father.
No, the sisters will take care of you.
No.
They will teach you. They will feed you. And they will clothe you. The sisters, they're good people. They will take care of you. Go to the orphanage.
I won't.
I am a product of such tragedies caused by earthquakes. The nuns took me in, fed me, clothed me, and sheltered me. They helped get education, and now I work for FIVOX in disaster management. And here I am in front of you, children, telling you that earthquakes is something that we all should be prepared of. We must know what to ready, how to act when it strikes, and where to go after. We should know what to prioritize during earthquakes, because anytime it may happen. Here in FIVOX, we teach children in different schools about disaster preparedness. We'll never know when we will need to save our lives or save another's life. Okay class, plate tectonics is a theory explaining the structure of Earth's crust and many associated phenomena as resulting from the interaction of rigid lithospheric plates which move slowly over the underlying mantle.
Hey, he told me my father died at work. Can you go with me?
Okay, sure. Let's go. Hey, Luigi, come on, let's eat.
Yes, Dad, I'm coming. I'll open the door.
Okay, son, let's pray first. Then, the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.